Exactly what I want. Now, do you know
Achikale. My name is Sabal.
are here?
I'm with the Golden Path. Golden Path? We're friends. Shit, you know we're here. The door! Quickly!
Ajay, when these doors open, I need you to keep your head down and make a run for the truck. Move as fast as you can. Understand?
Yeah, I got it.
1, 2, 3!
Okay. Here we go.
Keep your head down!
What the hell?
There's a gun underneath the dashboard! Use it! Whoa! Are we safe? Probably not. On your right! Shoot! Them!
Fucking hell.
Watch out! Right! Hold on!
If you're hearing this, respond. Ajay Gale, respond, please.
Hello?
Thank you. This is Sabal. Where are you?
I don't know. Fuck. The driver's dead.
Okay, listen to me. Look around. You should be able to see a tower nearby. I need you to make your way there. I'm on my way to secure it now.
Head to the tower. Okay.
You can do this, Ajay.
Boy, look around! Find him! Maybe he was inside the truck. You want to tell King Min this guy is dead? Huh? No! He can. Then start looking. Check the bushes. He could be hiding there. Can't hear you. The radio is garbled, yaar. I can't hear a damn thing. Hello, come in. Over. Water! Abhi he's in the water!
Get him!
Everyone keep your eyes open! I will find you, Gale! Where are you hiding? Coward! He's close! Keep searching! Let them be. Why don't you come out, Gale? gun I've ever seen. Put down the gun!
RJ, my boy, are you busy? You don't mind me calling, do you? Fantastic. You really are an excellent listener. Look, no hard feelings about the crab rangoon. I know it's not to everyone's taste. But you'll be pleased to know I had the chef executed for his incompetence. Or was it his family we killed? Regardless, next time I can promise you a better spread. That's the last time I'm kidnapping a fucking TV celebrity chef.
It's an honor to meet you, son of Mohan. I'm amazed you made it all the way here on your own.
RJ, you made it! Good job, son of Mohan.